Pakistan need 8 or 6 deliveries. Bangladesh need to take wickets or keep it extremely tight here. A new man at the crease now will really put pressure. Who's going to bowl the final over? It looks like it's the captain. Is it? It looks like Mahmudullah is going to bowl. 8 off 6. Mahmudullah Riyad to bowl the final over.
It's a bold move from the skipper. They require 8 runs and he's brought himself on.
Well, his economy, if he does stick to his economy, Bangladesh will take it to a super over. There we go. Question mark. Duck ball. Oh, what a start.
The skipper doing the stuff in his own style.
Throughout this run chase, it's been meandering just under the radar. It's come down to the final over. 5 deliveries.
They're coming from the front of his hand. It's a lovely delivery to start with. A dot to start the over. 8 of 5.
Bowles plays a big shot. Where's this? Man under it. Gone. Oh my. Twisting the tail. Bangladesh are still alive.
Have a look at this reaction from the crowd. Knowing that it's so much important for Bangladesh to pick up a wicket. He's picked up a wicket. At the first 2 deliveries, he's conceded nothing. And he is forced Sarfraz to hit in the air. And Naeem Sheikh takes the catch at deep mid-wicket. 2 deliveries gone, no runs scored, and a wicket in the bag. Well done, skipper.
They're off their seats. He has to go for 6. It's 117 for 3, Pakistan. Plays the big shot. Hyder Ali on side. Scores. Did he take it? Yes! Mahmudullah got a hat-trick. They want a check. Or is he gone? Oh my! It's going through the roof here at the Sharia Bangla. A twist in the tail.
What's happening? Something very special happening in favor of Bangladesh. They had to wait a long, long time. And has gone straight into the hands. He had to jump high in the air. Nazmul Hussain Shantan grabs it. The crowd going wild. Hyder goes for 45. Pakistan have lost 2 and 2. It's 170 for 4.
I did mention in the penultimate over, don't go anywhere, stay on the edge of your seats, and that is exactly what is happening. Kushal Shah, Mahmudullah on a hat-trick, bowling his first over of this encounter. Iftikhar Ahmed hasn't faced the delivery. Here we go, on a hat-trick, Mahmudullah. Big shot, where's this? Oh, Pakistan say you will not have it your way. That's gone a mile for 6.
It's a smash get down the ground and the smiles finally breaks out in the Pakistan camp. They need 2 and 2 now. What an over this has turned out to be. It was a bold and a brave move from the skipper. Little bit far. and gets to treatment 90 meters down the ground.
Oh, Iftikhar Ahmed, he settles all the nerves. The Iceman. Oh my goodness, that's gone a long way. He likes it. There we go. It's not done. It's not done yet. 2 of 2. Change of angle. Another big shot in the air. Gone! Gone! Oh my! I mentioned it, Atali Khan. All the viewers, another twist in the tail. It's going down to the final delivery. Could it be a super over?
It's going down the wire. Wicket number 3 for Mahmudullah. He wanted to launch it and finish it with a flurry, but this time he's knocked it over to Yasir Ali. Another wicket falls. He cannot believe it. They cannot believe it. But it's happening. It's all happening in the middle. He has to go. Iftikhar goes for 6. It's 123 for 5.
Okay, everybody's biting their nails. Everybody's watching this game with more interest. I mentioned it in the 18th over. Don't take anything for granted. Pakistan needing 8 off the final over. A 6 by Iftikhar Ahmed. He's back in the hut. There's 2 batters out there, haven't faced the delivery. The captain hadn't bowled. He's picked up 3 wickets in the final over. Mohammad Nawaz is on strike. 2 required of 1. Coming round the wicket.
Are we going to see a super over?
Maybe, Atta. Maybe. Replay. Round the wicket. Looking for another big one. Outside edge. Simple catch. Baba can't believe it. What are you doing? Strap in. This is why we love the game. This is why we commentate on the game. For moments like this, moments where it looks as if it's swaying in one direction and it sways the other. Margins, inches, 2 of 1. He's trying to keep everybody calm. He's not calm, definitely not calm. There we go.
Who would have imagined this would happen in the last over? They're still taking some time. It is excellent work from the skipper. Eddie, you've got to take your hats off for Mahmudullah Riyad to be brave enough to come and bowl at this stage of the game. He has not bowled a single over and he opts to bowl the last over.
Bowls and the batsman wasn't ready. Drama. More drama. More drama. He's asking, were you ready? Were you not ready? Oh, he says that's fine. Great sportsmanship. I would have sent that up for a review just to see at the last moment what happened there. But Mahmudullah, gentleman of the game, he says it's fine. Cool, calm and collected.
Have another look here. He's in his stance and once the ball is pitched, he's just let it go. Incredible.
Oh, that's why. Yeah, I think he just picked up that he wasn't quite happy with where he released the ball and then pulled out late. I'm not saying he's right or wrong. I'm just saying that change in his action allowed him to maybe pull away.
Doesn't matter. He can bowl from wherever he wants. He can.
I'm saying the batter picked it up and wasn't happy.
Ooh, that was close, wasn't it?
Very, it was a late move. There we go. Strap in. Oh dear. Oh, nearly a man cut. What's happening here? Oh my goodness. Gee whiz, Atta.
Hey, hang on. Hold on to your horses, man. You're getting too excited because you never approached to pick up the ball and try to take the balls off. Well, relax. Just relax. Pick a nice breather here.
There we go again. He bowls down the wicket through the offside. Nawaz. He gets away. They get out of jail. Bangladesh Wow! I take my hat off to Mamadullah. I take my hat off to you, sir. Bowl, you're only over in the game. Pick up 3 wickets. You go for 10. Pakistan win nonetheless by 5 wickets. But what a game of cricket.
Went down to the wire, didn't it? It was an excellent fight back, especially from Mahmudullah. When he decided to come into bowl the last over, he picked up 3 wickets. Wasn't